So far, toe is actually pretty simple. No, I don't want to go up. I actually want to go back to rig, and let's call it ankle IK, and we do Control C, Control V here, and that's we going as the next one in chain. That's perfect. We'll go here, and this one will be our toe IK, and our toe will be actually using that joint here, and that one will be toe. So L toe GNT, cool. Our end one will be L toe tip GNT, and our driver, and they currently are the offset because they have all the old stash information, and we're just gonna get back there in a second. And our control name will be, we go back for example to a rig pose, it's gonna be L toe tip IK control, and we'll just go here, L toe tip IK CTRL. Cool. And now all I need to do is basically the axes are correct, everything is correct. We just basically stash transforms. Oh, that's an interesting error which I think you like to know how to solve. So whenever we're pressing any buttons now, it says like, you cannot edit that node, because what it's doing now is been trying to save some data to the nodes and change the nodes inside, but they're not editable. So it's pretty easy to fix. So you allow editing context, you do type properties, and we're going to node and editable nodes. We need to choose our stash, our parent constraint, export relative, and our stash transform. Actually, we need to select them in the window together. Yeah. So those two nodes will be allowed to change where HDA. The HDA will be able to change those nodes inside. So we hit apply, accept, and save node type, match the current definition. Here we can do the same thing like stash update, cool. And now here we can do stash update, actually clear stash update offsets. And we can see that something is wrong. And let's see what is going on. And I can tell you that something is wrong with the L toe tip IK control, because it looks like our joint is pointing there. And how we can basically check it out what's going on. There's a few ways. We can just allow editing, just dive in, and we can see the toe end. We can see the second input here. We're actually having it here. Transform. No, it's there, right? Something is wrong. Something is fishy here. So let's just disconnect it once again, go back. Oh, what is the error? L toe tip GNT doesn't exist. Oh, because it's a toe end, not the toe tip. You see how cool the errors are? It tells us exactly where the error is. So we basically match the current definition, and it's not L toe tip, it's L toe end GNT. And now we just like clear the offset, stash the transform, update the transforms, and voila. And now, lo and behold, if you go to the rig pose and you start moving your setup, now you actually have now properly solved the reverse foot. So what we're gonna be doing in the next videos, we're gonna be adding some extra bits to it just to make it works better for animator. We're gonna add some parameters and do a skinning and etc.